Hi guys, Ali here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have an Apple Siri Remote, which is a second generation Apple Siri Remote. So this is the front of the box. So it's standard Apple box over here. So there's nothing much. Let's start opening it. And this is all that comes in the box: the cable, remote itself, and a few papers. So this is the second generation. We'll show you the first generation later on, so stay tuned for that. Let's open this. Let's see. It has warranty, all that stuff, and then Siri Remote, and okay, it has all the normal papers. So this remote is compatible with Apple TV, which is 4th generation up. So for example, the Apple TV 4K, this works with that. So over here it has all the navigation buttons and the on and off switch on the top, you guys can see. And this is the second generation compared to the first generation. So ours has been cracked through the sofa and stuff, so it's seen better days. So this, instead of having physical buttons such as these to navigate, it had a swiping mechanism, which was like a bit hard or like wouldn't respond. So that's one problem we had with this, which is this makes it a bit better. And also it's a lot more thicker than the first generation. I noticed that. And the Siri buttons over here, pause, volume, same thing pretty much. The mute button is a new button, and the Siri button has been put to the side. So that's how they all sound. So this is the second generation Siri Remote. This is a first generation Siri Remote, and this is the OG first Apple remote. So this one only has the navigation thing, a menu button, and a pause button. Compare that to now. Look how many more buttons there are. Look how much thicker it is. It's so much more thicker. So they went back to the metal body because this is what happened when they made it a bit more fancier. Okay, so that's pretty much about it for all this. This is the new one. This is the old one. This is the cracked one. So thank you guys for watching our video. Please like this video, remember to subscribe to our channel, or hit the bell icon. Bye!